The Tata Nexon was ready for its ultimate challenge. All that effort from the engineers, designers, R&D, shop floor workers, and even the management was finally ready to be put to the test. The second crash test, that is. Since the Tata Nexon scored 4 stars, several modifications had then been made to the car, including the addition of some more safety equipment as standard. The changes made, the new updated Nexon was shipped to Munich once again for the second crash test. The preparations were done and it was time to see if the Nexon could climb that safety Everest. It was a big deal with key Tata and global NCAP personnel in attendance.
The first test we did in the frontal impact, it was a very good 4-star car, but they're making some additional equipment changes to fit so-called isofix child seat points and a few other details like that, plus complete the side impact, and that we think will then mean it can be a 5-star car. And that will be the first ever 5-star car in India, which is a huge sort of landmark historic event.
In this case, a 5-star car, it's a maximum that the manufacturer can do in relation to protection of the occupants in a crash scenario like the ones we are testing. Having full integrity in such a car for the customer, for the consumers, is very important.
What has followed since was to be expected. Euphoria and a tremendous sense of achievement at Tata Motors, and immense appreciation and admiration from people outside the company.
Well, big news coming in from the world of automobiles, and India has got its first ever 5-star rated car. Siddharth is here to tell us all about that. Siddharth, what does all of this mean?
It is big news, and it's good news as well. Finally, we've been getting so much bad news when it comes to vehicle safety.
Nexon achieving 5-star NCAP is an exemplary achievement and fortifies our strategic intent for the future product portfolio.
There is a very strong perception in India that only bigger vehicles are considered safe. Far from it, with a compact SUV Nexon, Tata Motors wanted to challenge this perception. And a full 5-star rating, I'll come again, a full 5-star safety rating bears testimony to that. As the Indian customers increasingly put a premium on safety, we are ecstatic to have delivered the safest car on Indian roads to our customers.
We are confident that many other cars, and probably in quick succession too, will also achieve the 5-star safety rating that Tata has with the Nexon. In fact, Tata's own product portfolio will want more 5-star champions, and so expect to hear news about everything from the Tiago to the new Harrier. But the Nexon will always be the first, the one that started it all. Now, if you'd asked me in 2014, right after the first round of India crash tests, which made-in-India car would get to 5 stars, my answer would probably not have been a subcompact car, and definitely not a Tata. And that is what makes the Nexon's achievement truly special.